Thanks to a clear and intuitive design, the interface of the Classe 300X Video Internal Unit is easy for anyone to use. Cameras area. Here you can quickly view and manage all the cameras connected to your system. Notifications area. The device guides you and offers useful tips. You can also see unanswered calls and received voicemail messages. Favorites area. You can fully customize it to quickly access the functions you use the most. You can browse through the system cameras, view them, and activate them when needed. In the Favorites area, a single tap is enough to activate the functions you use most frequently. If you select the Notifications section, you will find customized suggestions offered by Classe 300X. You can schedule the muting of the call ringtone. Simply choose the days of the week when you want the ringtone to remain muted. Press Confirm. The vertical LED will light up purple to confirm that silent mode is active. By clicking on the settings icon and on Answering Machine, you can enable call recording and even record a welcome audio message to be played in the entrance panel. In the Notifications area, you can easily see if there are any missed calls. From the Settings menu, by selecting Display and LED, you can adjust the brightness and choose light or dark theme for the screen. You can also customize the order of the objects within the Favorites section according to your preferences. You can make an intercom audio call to another video internal unit in the house. For example, the one in the attic.